Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an FAQ section in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website builder and this is where I want to add an FAQ. First, click on Add Section. From this list on the left side, select FAQ. As you can see, there are many templates you can use. Let's go with this one. Now, to edit your questions, just double click this bold text, and to edit the answer, click on this little text. After editing your text, don't forget to update your website. And this is how to add an FAQ section in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.